So, whoa, whoa, whoa. So what's up, y'all? Back for another Taylor's tutorial. Maybe I should make that a thing. But anyway, it's a nice day out. I wish these birds would shut up. Anyway, it's a really nice day out today. So I thought I would do this makeup tutorial outside. So I initially made this look when I was going to the beach one day. And I was like, this is super, super cute. Let me recreate it. I even changed like a couple of few minor things, but the look is still the same. Like everything as far as like the colors are still the same and stuff like that. And I actually accomplished this look with 2 eyeshadows. Well, 3 if you count the inner corner, but that's technically a highlight. But just 2 eyeshadows on my lid, and I accomplished this look, and I think it's so cute. I really like this, like really pink, summertimey, like just. When I first did this look, I did do it with lashes, and I also changed my highlight up a little bit. I added one to it, but other than that, I just wanted to. Oh, and I had a nude lip with a brown lip liner. But I just wanted to show like 2 different ways to wear the look, like a more natural way, and then the dramatic way that I wore to the beach that day. And yeah, and then for the highlight, it was the same highlight that I used last time, but then I also added some of the inner corner highlight on top of that highlight to give it like a little iridescent look to like match my inner corner. Okay. But anyway, so without further ado, if y'all see me like stop in the middle of the video and just be like, it's because I'm outside, and weird shit outside. So I'm just like, I just gotta have be stopping for a second and be like, and an ant tried to attack me out here too. I was trying to do my makeup, like, it feels nice and everything, but nature needs to relax with my video. Anyway, without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Alright, so first I started with my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. It is a color pressed pigment palette that has 35 colors. And the colors actually don't have names in this palette, but I'm going to be going into that light pink color. And I'm going to be putting that in my crease as a transition color. This color is pretty pale, but I liked it because it would like get rid of that harsh line from when I put the second pink color, and it would just like create a nice gradient, and it'll just look nice. Alright, so occasionally you'll see me use that larger blending brush right there just to blend out any harsh lines or disperse the color, like just make it more soft or more even in certain areas. And it does have some pink on it because I created this look before. Alright, so here I'm going to go in with my second and final pink, and I'm just going to place that color all on the lid and up in the crease a little bit just to combine the 2 colors. And I used the blending brush at first. I don't really know why, but I'm going to change it soon and use a flat brush instead just to pack the color in, and then I'll be going back and forth between blending it out, patting it, and just building up the color. Alright, so excuse me, my neighbors came out, so gotta be respectful, say what's up to my peeps, But anyway, so now I'm transitioning into that flat brush, and I'm going to go into that same second hot pink there. I'm just going to really pack that in on my lid, so that way like you can see that the color gets a bit more intense as it goes down from my brow to my eye. Alright, so basically, I'm not going to keep repeating myself. I think you guys get the gist of it. I just, go back and forth between the two pink shades to build up the color and get it to where I really want it to be. As you can see, the color is really starting to come through now. And, take your time with this or go as fast as you like. This is a beginner-friendly look, and I'm a beginner myself. So, it's easier just to build up than to try and take away once you put too much or something like that. So, go at whatever speed is comfortable for you. And I hope you create this look. Alright, so I'm officially done with my eyes for now. I went off camera and put on my foundation and, a little contour, and now it's time to get into some highlight. So for highlight, we're going to use the ColourPop I Think I Love You eyeshadow palette in the color Rowdy. I actually really love using eyeshadows for highlight sometimes. I feel like the shimmers are just so much better, and they I don't know, I feel like they just look better on the skin than oftentimes when you try to buy a highlight, because I don't know, it's just me probably. And then this one is really icy. It gives you like a really icy silverish look, but you can't put on too much or it's just going to look like white on your cheek for my skin tone. Yes, do y'all see those icy wifey vibes I'm giving? Okay. Alright, so next I'm going to use that brush. It's like I don't even know the name of that brush, but it's good for underneath your eye, your under eye. And I'm going to take that hot pink color and just go ahead and blur that underneath my eye to just give me an all around pink look and just look pinkalicious, okay? Now we're going to get into the BH Cosmetics Duo Highlight 9 Color Palette. And we're going to use that nice pretty pink color called Double Time right there. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner. And then I'm also going to put that on top of the Rowdy highlight that I use from ColourPop, just to give me a iridescent look to kind of match my inner corner but not be the exact same color. I must say that this highlight palette is popping. Like, wait till y'all see the color that it's about to give me. Like, that palette, like, I think I might even do a video just swatching it, because like the colors, the shades, the pigments, it's just, oh my gosh, like, I just, it's amazing. So I actually forgot to film the very ending of this video, but the look is pretty much done. I just haven't added mascara yet or lip gloss, which you saw in the beginning of it. So that was the complete finished look. But nonetheless, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I hope you will create this look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you like, and also comment some other looks that you guys would like to see, because I'm going to be posting a lot of colorful looks for the summertime, okay? And here's just me acting a fool because I forgot to post it in the video. So I thought I would give you all Goofy Taylor. Alright, but thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.